Good morning, guys. It is time for day 3 of our Charlotte. I keep saying Charlotte. I don't know why. It's really weird. It is day 3 of our Charleston vlog, and it sounds so similar. And we're going to breakfast soon. I think I'm gonna get some French toast, and it's gonna be pretty good. And today, I'm pretty sure we're gonna take a walking tour, just sort of walk around and see stuff for most of the morning and a little of the afternoon. So that should be a lot of good clips to show you guys. And other than that, nothing much is happening. See y'all later.
Videoing or taking a picture?
It's getting cold meanwhile.
Thank you, videographer.
Is that to stop the deluxe French toast?
Yes. We'll tell you how it tastes in about 45 minutes when we're ready to start.
So hot out here. We're sweating so much. We're walking around and sweating. It's hot. Hope you like this collage on how it's going so far, and I'll give you more. Enjoy the rest of the picture collage. We're back. Hope you guys enjoyed that little picture collage I had for you there. And it's so hot out there. It's so hot. And our legs are hurting because we were out there for quite a long time. But I think there is one good thing that happened. We came back. Let me show you guys. I have to log in. Okay, I think that I'm uploading my day 2 vlog, and it froze at 23%. So I'm gonna have to redo that. Never mind. That stinks. I guess I'm gonna have to re-upload that. But for today, tonight, we shouldn't be doing much. Just go to dinner. I don't know if we're gonna do anything else, but that might be all. But we'll see. We might do something. So that's all currently right now. Oh, there's a fire alarm going on. This hotel might be on fire. Plot twist. And my dad's in my restroom going number 2. No! He can't just stop going number 2. No! Come on, Dad! Well, snap. There's a fire alarm and everyone's evacuating and leaving their rooms and going down the fire exit that luckily we knew about. This is fun. Yeah, we need a table. There is some action to this day. I don't have something to hold this on though. I just have my camera. Wait, it's going on other. It's going. Why? This is pleasant. Why? Wait, why? Why? Wait, why? Why?
Is it real?
No, it's not.
Okay. We've got one in the restroom who said, call me if it's real.
Why would it? Wait, why are they doing it if it's not real?
Sometimes they have to do practices. It's a drill like you do at school. And they have to make sure that everybody goes and checks everything.
It's not real. That would have been scary if it was real. We just got in like a minute before that sounded, and we were all like chilling and like relaxing because we were so hot, and then it sounded. And that would have been crazy because my dad's in the restroom going number 2. And if it was real while he was going number 2, now I have a good title for the video. I'm just gonna go fire drill. There was a fire alarm. That's all I'm gonna say. Actually, not a lot of people are coming out. I don't know why. Why it's like no one in our hotel coming out? Mom, why is like no one in our hotel coming out? I got a little bit scared there at first. I was like, come on, we have to go. And then my mom was like, get the camera. And I was like, oh, good idea. It's smart to get the camera when there's a fire alarm. It's fake. Sorry for my hand. Let me show you. Hand. Where's my hand? Wait, why isn't it? Yeah. Sorry for that hand constantly being in it. Usually I have like a little thing that like I can hold it up to the air with, and it'll just show my face, but I didn't have time to get that, so I'm just sort of holding this, and my hand's probably getting in the way, like, so sorry about that. But we rushed out. Well, me and my mom rushed out because it could have been real, but my dad didn't because, of course, he was going to the restroom. So, is he just gonna stay in my room? Because he knows, Mom. Is he just gonna stay in my room because he knows it? People are going back inside already, so. I think we can go back inside. We can go back? Oh, they said to come back. bunch of people who work here were out here, and they told everyone to go back, but it was just a drill. So everyone's going back inside. I was trying to look outside to see if I could see if anything where it could have been burning, but okay, that's all for this chaos. Bye. We're going to get some cookies. Some cookies. Our hotel bakes daily cookies every day.
Every day means daily.
Yeah, daily.
You going down the stairs or the elevator?
Let's go down the stairs, I guess. So we get daily cookies, and
This is our first daily to try them.
yeah, we were too late to get them yesterday because we were out doing something, and but we can get them today, so we're gonna see how good they are. Vlogger life, bro. Aw, there's a baby. I'm going to get some cookies. Cookies. Ooh, we're here. There's a lot of people standing around. There's some cookies. Oh, I see cookies. Cookies. Oh. Cookies.
That one smells like fresh bake.
Can we get two or just get one, you think?
Start with one.
What?
Start with one.
Oh, 2 cookies per person, please. We can get 2. Okay. Axel, you saw the cookies. They taste good, but yeah. See y'all at dinner, I
I
think.
think Daddy wants some oatmeal raisin.
Maybe. No,
Or
you can get 2, so. Alright, see y'all later. Turns out we are going somewhere. We're not just staying at the hotel for the rest of the day. We're gonna go to the visitor center. 'Cause my parents want to do something else, so we're gonna go to the visitor center to see like what we can do and all that, and then we're probably gonna do something else, then have some dinner, and then go back to the room and get some good night's sleep. So that's the update right now. We were sitting down. Well, I was sitting down. This story's about me. I was sitting down.
About you.
Yeah. I was sitting down on a bench, and my parents were trying to decide if we were going to go anywhere for the rest of the day. And there was this bee that landed on my leg. No, it was a bee. I saw it. It was a bee there was a bee that landed on my leg, and it was crawling all on me, and I didn't notice it for a while. And then, silly me, I jumped up and tried to kick it off, which I think probably made it angry, but it finally flew off. And then I was walking away, and then a wasp was following me. It was like a bee was on me, and then a wasp was following me. And that was a little funny story. And I don't think we're doing much, just walking around, scoping out the scene. But that's all for now. This is going to be the end of a vlog right now. So we just went and had some dinner. It was pretty good, and nothing much else that we're doing tonight. So thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, or you've seen other videos of mine and you liked them, then you should definitely think about subscribing and share my channel with all my friends and family. Share my channel with all your friends and family so I can keep growing as a channel, and comment. I want to hear what y'all have to say. Comment on advice, ideas, what you want me to do next, all that. Just comment. I want to hear what y'all have to say, and that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tube-tastic, and peace out.